Now let's move on to the next part, which is about two major concepts that you will hear quite a lot in the market, and that is about going long and going short. In a lot of movies, you will see so Wolf of Wall Street, Boiler Room, so on and so forth. You will hear that say, "Oh, I am long on this particular one," or "I am short on this one." What we mean by the simple um, the explanation by long is basically when you have bought something, okay, and short is when you actually expect something to fall, so that you are selling something. That's just a simple explanation. But let's go in further more details and then see what exactly it means. So by when we say or when you hear on the market people saying that, okay, I am long on this particular asset class, on this particular forex pair, imagine to understand the basic information. So imagine that you are playing with a toy car. When you long in trading, it's like saying you believe the price of something, let's say this toy car, will go up. So you will buy, hoping it will sell it later at a higher price and make a profit. When you say going short, you have to imagine that you are borrowing something, for example, a toy car from a friend to play with. Then you know that, okay, the price of that particular one is going to go down so you can sell it and make some extra profit. So basically, when you go short in trading, it's like saying you believe the price of something, again, let's say the toy car, will go down. So you borrow it, okay? You borrow it from someone and sell it straight away, hoping to buy it back later at a lower price and return it to the person you borrowed it from, pocketing the difference. So you know that it is going to sell it at a lower price, and then you can buy it back at cheaper, and then you can profit the difference between the two. So in simple terms, very simple terms, when you say you go long, you are buying because you think the price will go of that particular asset up to the upside. When you go short, you simply believe that the price of that particular asset will go down. Again, I wanted to explain that. When you go long, you believe that the price of the asset in that particular occasion is going to go up. When you go short, you believe that the price of that particular asset is actually going to drop. So now let's move on to the next particular term, which we hear quite a lot in the markets and among many investors and traders, and that is what we call volatility. Now, what do we mean by this particular term, volatility? Volatility in forex is like how much a roller coaster goes up and the roller coaster goes down. So remember those roller coasters, like how they go up and they go down. That's what exactly the volatility is. How stable this particular is. How many big, massive moves up, down moves those particular asset is going to happen. So that is what we call. So when in forex, something is volatile, price go up and down quite a lot. So basically, when you see a chart of a forex pair that goes like this, and then it goes like this, and then it goes this, it goes like that, it goes like this, it goes like this. So that is something what we called in this particular language, in the forex language, that it is very, very volatile. So that's what exactly we mean by volatility. So it means price changes a lot, as you can see from this particular one. So which can be exciting, but a little risky as well. So for day traders, really, they would look for opportunities like these in the market because they will take advantage of that. How do you take advantage of that? How do you do it? We will explain all of that very shortly in the coming video. Now, quiz, the most important time, right? So this is my exciting time, and for me to check how much you really know. So if you think the price of an asset will go up, what do you think will happen? Do you think that you would go long or whether you go short? I'll give you 3 seconds for that. Now, if you guessed it right and you think that the answer was long, you were absolutely correct in saying that. So that gives us a very good overhaul of what exactly we mean by going long, going short, stop losses, take profits, and all the basic information. Now, in the next section, we will go and speak about in Forex market, and we will lay down the foundation and understanding about the whole of that Forex market.